It's your girl Keela back again with another video, and today we are going to be cooking. Cooking what, you may ask? Pork chops, mashed potatoes, and broccoli. Yes. So yeah, I want to say thank you to my viewers, my Keela Bears, my babies that always support me. Keep tuning in. And to my new viewers, like, comment, and subscribe, of course. Now let's get into it. As y'all see, I used a lot of different seasonings. I used lemon pepper, Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, seasoning salt, Italian seasoning, oregano, and I believe no, and basil. So yeah, you can use whatever seasonings you want to use, but that's what I used. And this is what my plate look like once I put everything on it. And yes, I always sprinkle a little shredded cheese on my mashed potatoes just to give it a little bit more flavor. But that's just me. Y'all ain't gotta do that. That's just me. Thank y'all for watching and tune in for the next video that's coming soon. Mwah.